Welcome back to the channel where we simplify technology for you. For this video, I will demonstrate how to automatically highlight cell or cells based on its content. So let's get started. So for example, I have here a grading sheet wherein I have encoded the quiz 1 up to quiz 3. But if you will notice, there are grades that are less than 75. So for example, I'd like to format the cells with grades less than 75. So I know who are my students that I should follow up or prioritize. So to do that, first step is to highlight the cells. Okay, so this is we call this conditional formatting. So the first step is to highlight the cells and then click format and then conditional formatting. In this case, right now the conditional formatting rules applies only to the selected cells. So for example, I'd like to highlight the cells that contains less than or equal or less than, and then I want to see all the grades or cells that is less than 75, and then I will format it as a different color. By default it's color green, so I'll change this to color, for example, red, and I can also change the color of the text to white so it's more visible, and then I'll click done. So I have selected from C2 up to F14. So take note that when I encode grades, so let's say 98, 85, and then 95, and then let's say 74, you will see that it is formatted automatically. Let's say 75, 76, 89, 72, it is automatically highlighted. So that is how you format cells based on its content. If you have any question, please feel free to comment down below. Bye for now.